Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. Let Glade whisk you away to the Hawaiian Islands with their 2-in-1 Hawaiian Breeze plus vanilla passion fruit candle. This candle is a staple in my household. I buy it time and time again. It does come in this beautiful glass, and I do love that it's infused with essential oils. And this orange part is the Hawaiian Breeze, and it has essence of pineapple and peach. It has hints of mango and red berries, and just a hint of tropical flowers like hibiscus, and it's expertly paired with the vanilla and passion fruit, or as we say in Hawaii, lily koi. And the blend together, it's so beautiful and it smells so good. I really wish that you could smell it right now, and that's my point of view.